equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To change the cable on your Dyson, start by unplugging the vacuum. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the handle. Carefully pull apart the handle to access the internal wiring. Take note of how the old cable is connected. This is crucial for the reassembly. Next, remove the old cable from the clips and disconnect it from the motor. Clean any dust or debris inside the handle for optimal performance. Now, take your new cable and thread it through the same path as the old one. Connect it to the motor, ensuring a secure fit. Reattach the handle, making sure all screws are tightened. This is a good time to do a visual inspection of the vacuum for any other issues. Remember, if you're unsure, you can always opt for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Now, plug in your Dyson and test it out. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.